We're seeing issues related to custody come up. One of them being, what schedule are we on now? Schools aren't going back in session, so are we on the summer schedule or are we on the school year schedule? Another issue that we're seeing is with regard to support. If you're not able to pay child support, or you're not being paid and receiving child support because you've lost your job or you've had your hours decrease. What about insurance? Is health insurance going away? If so, how are we going to provide coverage, let alone for ourselves, but for our children? There's also the issue as to parents' concern about transferring the children between each other based on potential exposure by one parent being out in public and the other parent not wanting the children exposed to that. Are they going to the grocery store with a parent? Is the parent taking the children to the park? So we're having these issues come up, and people are having to deal with those issues. And with the courts being closed, mediation is a great option and a great way to address those issues. People come in, and in this case, people call in, and we basically get the issues out on the table. We talk about them. We talk about the concerns from both sides. We look at possible solutions, and in the end, we hopefully reach a resolution going forward. I find that mediation is really helpful when the parties actually get the ability to hear what the other party is saying. A lot of times people are tied to their position and they want what they want, and therefore they're not able to hear why the other parent or party has a certain position on an issue. When you have mediation, it's an open dialogue between everybody. This is what I want and this is why. And I try to turn things and reverse that into, this is why I really want this. This is why this is important to me. And getting out those whys, and it helps you get to how are we going to address it going forward. With the courts, for all intents and purposes, closed and not hearing these matters, we don't know when people are going to be able to get into court to have them addressed. That's why mediation is a great tool and a resource to help you address these issues in these uncertain times. There's so much going on out there right now that we are here to help you to address and resolve these issues through mediation.